2027 Jaguar I-Pace returns as a bold statement in the world of electric luxury SUVs, blending performance, design, and technology in a way that feels both futuristic and unmistakably Jaguar. From the very first glance, it's clear that this isn't just another electric vehicle trying to follow trends. It's a car that helped shape them, and now it's evolving to stay ahead of the curve. As you approach the I-Pace, the design immediately stands out. It carries that sleek, coupe-like silhouette that makes it look more like a sports car than a traditional SUV. The front end is smooth and sculpted, with a refined grille that's more about aesthetics and airflow management than cooling a combustion engine. The LED headlights are sharper and more intelligent than ever, adapting to road conditions and traffic in real time. The 2027 model pushes the design further with more aerodynamic efficiency, cleaner lines, and subtle detailing that gives it a premium, almost concept car feel on the road. Moving along the side profile, the flush door handles, large alloy wheels, and flowing roofline create a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. The proportions are unique: short overhangs, a long wheelbase, and a cab-forward design, all made possible by the electric platform. At the rear, the slim LED taillights and sculpted tailgate give it a futuristic yet elegant look, while improved aerodynamics help boost range and efficiency. Step inside, and the cabin immediately welcomes you with a mix of luxury and modern minimalism. The materials feel premium in every sense: soft touch surfaces, high-quality leather options, sustainable textiles, and brushed metal accents all come together to create an upscale environment. Jaguar has clearly focused on both luxury and sustainability, offering eco-friendly interior choices without compromising on comfort or style. The dashboard is dominated by a redesigned infotainment system that feels faster, smarter, and more intuitive than before. A curved central touchscreen integrates seamlessly with a secondary lower display for climate and driving controls. Everything is within easy reach, and the interface responds quickly, making it easy to navigate through menus without distraction. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an upgraded voice assistant that understands natural language commands more effectively. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing you to prioritize navigation, performance data, or driver assistance information. A head-up display projects key details onto the windshield, helping you keep your eyes on the road. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication with customizable colors that can match your mood or driving mode. Comfort is a major highlight of the 2027 I-Pace. The seats are designed for long journeys, offering excellent support and multiple adjustment options, including heating, ventilation, and massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers also benefit from generous legroom and headroom, thanks to the flat floor and clever packaging of the electric drivetrain. The panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of space, flooding the cabin with natural light. When it comes to practicality, the I-Pace doesn't disappoint. The rear cargo area is spacious enough for everyday needs, and there's additional storage in the front trunk, or frunk, which is perfect for charging cables or smaller items. The rear seats fold down to expand cargo capacity, making it a versatile option for families or road trips. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the I-Pace truly shines. The 2027 model continues to deliver instant torque, thanks to its dual electric motors, one on each axle, providing all-wheel drive capability. Acceleration is smooth, silent, and incredibly quick. Press the pedal and the car responds instantly, launching you forward with a surge of power that feels almost effortless. The updated battery pack offers improved energy density, translating into a longer driving range compared to previous models. While exact numbers may vary depending on conditions, you can expect a significant boost that makes long-distance travel more practical than ever. Fast charging capabilities have also been enhanced, allowing you to regain a substantial amount of range in a relatively short time at high-speed charging stations. Driving the I-Pace is a unique experience. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, gives it excellent stability and handling. It corners with confidence, feeling planted and composed even on winding roads. The steering is precise, and the suspension strikes a fine balance between comfort and sportiness. Adaptive air suspension, available in higher trims, further enhances ride quality by adjusting to different road conditions and driving styles. Regenerative braking is another key feature, allowing the car to recover energy when slowing down. In its more aggressive setting, you can drive using just one pedal for most situations, which not only improves efficiency, but also adds a new level of convenience once you get used to it. Technology plays a central role in the I-Pace experience. Advanced driver assistance systems are more refined than ever, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking. The 2027 model introduces enhanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making highway driving less stressful and more comfortable. Connectivity is seamless, with over-the-air updates ensuring that the car continues to improve over time. Whether it's software enhancements, new features, or performance optimizations, your I-Pace can stay up to date without needing a visit to the dealership. Safety is also a top priority. The I-Pace is built on a strong and rigid structure designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. Multiple airbags, advanced braking systems, and intelligent safety technologies work together to provide peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. One of the unique selling points of the Jaguar I-Pace is its ability to combine luxury, performance, and sustainability in a single package. It's not just about being electric. It's about delivering a driving experience that feels special every time you get behind the wheel. The quietness of the electric drivetrain enhances the sense of refinement, while the instant power keeps things exciting. Another standout feature is the design philosophy. While many electric SUVs tend to look similar, the I-Pace maintains a distinct identity. It doesn't try to mimic traditional SUVs or overly futuristic concepts. Instead, it strikes a balance that feels timeless yet forward-thinking. Ownership experience has also been improved for the 2027 model. Charging solutions are more accessible, with better integration into public charging networks and smarter route planning that takes charging stops into account. Home charging options have been upgraded as well, making it easier to keep the battery topped up overnight. Of course, no car is perfect, and the I-Pace does face competition in an increasingly crowded electric SUV market. However, what sets it apart is its character. It's not just about numbers or specs. It's about how the car makes you feel. From the moment you step inside to the way it glides silently down the road, there's a sense of craftsmanship and attention to detail that's hard to ignore. For drivers who want an electric vehicle that doesn't compromise on luxury or driving enjoyment, the 2027 Jaguar I-Pace presents a compelling option. It's a car that appeals to both the heart and the mind, offering the benefits of electric mobility without losing the emotional connection that makes driving enjoyable. In the end, the I-Pace is more than just a car. It's a glimpse into the future of automotive design and engineering. It shows that electric vehicles can be stylish, exciting, and practical all at once. Whether you're an early adopter of EV technology or someone considering the switch for the first time, this is a vehicle that deserves serious attention. And as Jaguar continues to push forward in the electric era, the I-Pace stands as a testament to what's possible when innovation meets passion.